Project Communications Management. Project Human Resource Management includes the processes that organize, manage, and lead the project team. There are three primary project communication management processes. There are Plan Communications Management, Manage Communications, and Monitor Communications. Plan Project Communications Management. The first step is to plan how you will manage communications on your project and across all of your stakeholders. This is done by creating a project communications management plan. Manage project communications. Once the plan has been created and approved, it's the project manager's job to ensure it's managed. This means that the plan needs to be reviewed and updated on a regular basis to reflect my changes to the project or its stakeholders.